Starting a business nowadays is easy. Everyone has great ideas, but sometimes it takes a lot of repetitive work to realize them. This is where DoBot M1 gets in. DoBot M1 is an industrial-level robotic arm production platform. It's precise, fast, and extendable, and also affordable. It can be your 3D printer, laser engraver, soldering machine, or whatever else you build upon it. Yes, you can build one. DoBot M1 has 0.02 millimeters repeatability and 1.5 kilogram payload. With these standardized, easy-to-change heads, you can easily turn this power into productivity. Like 3D printing, it can print your product with fluency and details. 2 colors? No problem. Or use laser to engrave your unfading masterpiece. Or do sophisticated soldering, customizing your PCB circuit board better than a pro. Besides being multifunctional, DoBot M1 is also easy to master and develop. DoBot M1 supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. You can connect to multiple arms at once and control them via our app on PC or smartphone. With a force-sensitive 3D mouse, you can control DoBot M1 as precisely as you want. No more trying and guessing on a confusing software. With its handhold teaching feature, you can input coordinates in the fastest and most intuitive way. DoBot M1 is programmable via the integrated APIs. You can use official or self-built developing environment, or use this visualized programming interface, making things a lot easier. But we don't stop here. DoBot M1 is highly extendable. There are no limits to your imagination on it. The maximum reach of DoBot M1 is 400 millimeters, which is enough for most of the situations. But why don't we think bigger, when it can actually go further? Or use a camera for visual. With its fast and accurate image recognizing algorithm, it can distinguish colors without making one mistake. DoBot M1 loves companions. They can work seamlessly together, processing paperwork way faster than humans could. Ultimately, DoBot M1 is built to replace manpower in production line, working day and night non-stop. The built-in mapping and path planning system provides this excellent mobility, providing inventory management service in your warehouse. To be able to create so much value, DoBot M1 has been built with extraordinary performance. The perfect calibration of the high-performance DC servo motor, harmonic reducer, and kinematic algorithm has brought out the best of both strength and speed. Repeatability of 0.02 millimeters. Maximum payload of up to 1.5 kilograms. Angular speed of up to 200 degrees per second. It's also a steady player, never slips up. Everyone loves creating things, and having a robotic arm is awesome. With DoBot M1, it's no longer a giant business's privilege to use professional robotic arms. Everyone can now benefit from a cost-effective, user-friendly robotic arm technology. So when a new idea hits you, DoBot M1 will be ready. All you have to do is say yes.
Hey, I'm Wouter from Coma Electronic, and this is our latest product, the Coma Electronic Field Kit. A little box made for experimentation with electroacoustic elements. The Field Kit is inspired by experimental electroacoustic performance techniques as discovered by our heroes, like John Cage, Steve Reich and David Tudor. By using contact microphones and electromagnetic pickups, sensors and switches, you can generate sounds from ordinary objects and process it inside the Field Kit. The Field Kit is built up out of 7 different building blocks. In the middle of all of it is the 4-channel mixer. Each channel has a tone control, a volume control, and a gain control. On top of that, there is a little selector button over here with which you can send the signal to an auxiliary bus. That comes out over here. Of course, there is a master volume and a master output, and a speaker volume and speaker output, where you can switch between different channels to send to the speaker output. Next to the mixer, you find the envelope follower. You send in a signal, and the envelope follower sends out an envelope or a gate. You can set the control sensitivity here and play around with it, and for instance, control the DC interface. Down on the left, we find the CV radio, which is an AM, FM, and shortwave radio that you can set both by hand with this little button here, or you can search via CV over all bands. Next to the radio, you find the LFO. It's a very basic and simple design that goes into audio rate, so you can also use it as a rudimentary normal oscillator. Here you can tune it, here you can set the range, and here you can set the waveform. Over there you have the output. Here in the bottom we'll find the signal interface, where you can use any type of sensor, plug it in on the bottom right here, set the level, set an offset, and get a CV signal out over here. The Field Kit is ideal for people who want to experiment with sound, with people that want to make their own sounds. It's ideal for sound designers, for people that just want to play in their living room, or, since it's so small, take it on the road. We have worked on the Field Kit for the last year, and we are very happy that it's finally finished. This is the final prototype. We're ready for production, and all we need is your pledge to make it happen. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and thanks a lot for your support. Together we can make the Field Kit come to life. If you have any questions, let us know, and please check out the awesome rewards under this video. This was Berlin. Bye bye.
This thing's cool. I mean, it's so stable. It's pretty rad.
Hi, I'm Didrik from FlowMotion. It's hard to capture smooth video using your smartphone. We've all been there. The camera is so good that you can make a Hollywood movie with this thing, but your phone is almost impossible to hold steady. And that's why we have developed FlowMotion One, the world's most versatile smartphone stabilizer. Developed by engineers and athletes, but made for everyone. One keeps your phone steady even when you're not, and enables you to capture smooth cinematic videos with your smartphone. One is compact. You can take off the grip, fold it together, and fit it in your pocket. And one works even without the grip, allowing you to attach it to any camera and GoPro mount. With the power of your smartphone, One becomes a lot more than just a stabilizer. In the FlowMotion app, we built in advanced tracking technology, so it automatically follows any object, a person, or even yourself. Create stunning motion time-lapses, create amazing panoramic photos, live stream your moments directly to Facebook or YouTube, or even make cinematic Snapchat and Instagram stories. One is super easy to use. Just slide in your phone, and with one click, you're ready to go. We've gathered an amazing team of business developers, engineers, and athletes. We've iterated and tested over and over again, and have finally come up with something we can be truly proud of. Our mission is to help people tell better stories and make professional videography available for everyone, anywhere, at any time. So back us today and help us put an end to shaky videos.